What's up, guys? Today, as you can see, I have a special guest because we have another unboxing.
Yeah, another unboxing.
So, Lenny, I reached out to her since the last time I made my Antelopewomendesigns video, and she made and sent me my florals, my mini florals that go to my sparrows. So I've got another unboxing for you all. Oh, and before I realized when I was watching my video, I was telling you guys, like, basically I saw the earrings before I actually opened the package, and that's because she texted me a picture of the sparrows. So I knew what they looked like before I actually opened the package, but seeing them in a photo is different from actually seeing them online. But that's how I knew the color scheme.
E-L-L-I-S.
So here's the box.
Yeah, we got the
for my mini
we got
florals.
the little pink ball things.
Okay.
Where you pop them.
The packing bubbles, shipping bubbles.
I like to pop
She
them.
did it again. Look at the box.
That's pretty.
I cannot with her. Look,
It's
it's like an iridescent. You guys can tell. Look at that. Is so. Just the detail. They don't want to see the bubble wrap, honey. The detail. Okay, so we're gonna open the box, and she sent me a picture of these in progress, so I know the color. It's like a nice light green.
Oh, they're so pretty.
I know. I'm sorry, but I have to show you guys the box. There's the
little heart thing.
No, well, yeah, it's
a
antelope,
heart, but not all the way together.
Antelope horns, I'll say, in the shape of a heart.
But not like those. But can I show them?
I will, cause girl.
I don't want to duck in the sink.
So I'm just gonna show. Here they are in the box, and then look at the detail. So you've got the sticker in the back. Okay, honey, let me talk. Don't talk over me. Give me a second.
Okay.
But like even around the box, you see, like she did. But I can't. All right, so I'm gonna have to come back and do another video with the mini florals. All right, I know you guys are late. Be quiet already. These are so pretty. Look at, it's like a.
Why don't you just put
Is
it
it
on?
plastic?
Yeah.
I don't know, but these are so pretty. These are gonna look so good with
How about you stand like
and there you
that?
go again. The back is the same. So the gold rivets with that snake skin type green, emerald green. So let me take these off. Yeah, these are.
I don't got any holes. I do. I haven't since I was a baby.
So again, these are the mini florals.
Can I put them in, mommy?
What's going on with my ears? There we go.
You don't have a hole.
Oh, and another thing, because I told her that I was so excited that I did an impromptu unboxing, and she told me that if you order something and something happens, she will fix it. But again, you want to do your due diligence and take care of anything that you get from her. But if you happen to have a snafu or an accident, she will repair your items. But there's the mini florals. This one.
And it's white on the back. God, did you know you can ask her that it's okay if you make her? It's okay if you make you guys a pair of earrings.
So,
oh
my goodness, these are so pretty. And another thing I realized from watching my video, so see how the flowers are facing forward? So something as simple as switching the side, like which ear you put them on, I think, yeah, it changes.
Wait, you can?
See, now the green is facing the back.
Yeah, and the red's facing the front.
So you can switch this up so many different ways. See, I can either have it this way or the other way like I have it.
Guys, you can
But these are so.
Thing from
I can't
by
take
Shelly
it.
Bodie.
No, these are by Lenny from Antelopewomendesigns.
She's a great
But again,
designer.
yeah, these are the mini florals. I just got them in the mail, and again, there's the detail. I think these are like green plastic petals, and then see the detail in the middle with the, I want to say like a mustard colored yellow, and then the flowers.
We're doing this in the bathroom.
Absolutely stunning.
Stunning.
All right, guys. Well, thank you again for watching. And again, I will come back to you and do another video when I have time, so you can see the sparrows with the mini florals. And again, thank you to my special guest who talked over me in the video. Thank you, Elia. Is there anything you would like to say before we say peace out to the people?
Yeah, you can order these online. Just call. If you have
you can go to
phone,
Facebook.
You can go to Facebook, and if she has her number, you can call her and ask her to make.
You can message her at Antelopewomendesigns. Peace out, guys. She's a hater.
I'm not like